Frustrated with your OnePlus phone showing a Wi-Fi connected no internet message? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix this annoying issue on your phone. Let's dive right in. Before doing anything else, make sure to turn off your router for 5 minutes and then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, try following these steps. Solution 1. Turn off Wi-Fi scan throttling. First, open the settings. Then, scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you will find the Developer option. Tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit. Find the Wi-Fi scan throttling option. Now just toggle it on. Now, try to enable your Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Enable Wi-Fi verbose logging. Open up the settings. Then, scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you will find the Developer option. Tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit. Find the Enable Wi-Fi verbose logging option. Now, just toggle it on. Now check if your issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Solution 3. Check Software Update. Go to the settings. Then, scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on About Device. Now tap on your OS, operating system. Update your software version if any update is available. Solution 4. Reset network and Bluetooth settings. Open the settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Now, tap on Backup and Reset. Next, tap on Reset Phone. Then, tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Next, tap Reset. Wait for a while. Your network reset is complete. And there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to the Wi-Fi connected no internet message on your OnePlus phone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!